Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to make carpet in Minecraft. Well, in order to go ahead and make a carpet, you will need wool first. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get the wool? Well, to get wool, you'll need shears first. Now, in order to go ahead and get the shears, you'll need a couple of things. So the first thing you're going to need is some iron and a crafting table. What you need to do is go to the crafting table and then simply take the iron and then put it diagonally like how I'm doing it. You can put it anywhere on the board, but that is it. Simply go ahead and get the shears. Now, once you get the shears, all you need to do is simply go ahead and find some sheep around you. As you can see, a couple of them are already naked because I have so many wool, but that is about it. You want to simply go ahead and head towards a sheep and then collect some wool, just like that. It is as simple as that. All you need to do is just right click and you'll get some wool. Now, after you have the wool, all you need to do is go back straight to your crafting table. And inside of your crafting table, what you want to do is simply go ahead and put two of the wool right beside each other, just like that, and you'll get some fresh carpet. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.